It's also in Kone Helsinki in Finland. It's a Swedish finish here, as it should be. Beautiful. But when was it built originally?
1929.
Ah, yeah, 1929 by Christian Wisbech. Look at that. Norwegian manufacturer.
Yeah.
Wisbech. The serial number is 158, modernized in 1968 by Kone.
Yeah.
That's how it comes. Amazing fact.
Yeah.
Very interesting. And only in Swedish here.
Yeah. On the fifth floor it says Suomen hissiä lämpöjohto, and Wisbech used that name in Finland.
Yes. It's really difficult, but very interesting.
Yeah.
I love the sound as well.
Same here.
Same.
Beautiful doors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In a Norwegian style.
This bike was maintained by Kone. Yes, the doors are open.
Yeah. Yeah, all in physics class.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much. This is really interesting. We'll get this naked as soon as possible.
That's